So here we are with our 5-inch lifted Tundra, and I couldn't be happier with this truck. Before I had the running boards on it and it just seemed really low to the ground. I wasn't feeling the full size, it didn't meet my expectations of what I had in my head. Now we've got the 5-inch lift, 305 70/18s, got these Mickey Thompson Baja Bosses with some method wheels. Love the 18-inch wheel. Again, like a 35-inch tall tire, clears fine. I got full lock-to-lock turning radius. You think about, what do you use a truck like this for? What we built this for, what I needed this for, is to get out into the hunting spaces. I don't want to have to just park shallow just off the road, get all the way off the road, get gear out and everything like that. We're in northern Michigan here, 'tis the season, leaf peeping and all the 2-track trails. Again, get this thing up off the ground, get a bigger tire, get it riding and driving a little bit better in those off-road instances. We didn't do this just for looks, right? We needed that performance. I need that ground clearance. I want to be able to go have fun with this thing. So I wanted to go with this because it's such a complete kit, from the steering knuckles to the outer tie rods to the steering stops, bump stops, all the relocations, everything right down to the breather tube, right? This is a very, very complete suspension system. This is not a lift kit. This is a suspension system, right? Everything works together part and parcel as it's supposed to be. Minimal install problems, all upside here. Check out the link below for a detailed explanation of all the parts in the kit, as well as a link to see it installed on a vehicle. And as always, stop by zoneoffroad.com to check out this kit for your Tundra or any vehicle you have. You can buy it right there.